Everyone born in this human form dreams of a fulfilling life. And some dreams need dreamers who can work hard to make them true. और चंडीगढ़ कमीशन फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स यानी कि CCPCR उसी दिशा में कार्यरत है. It all began with this. Launch of a logo in this very premises of the Chandigarh Judicial Academy 2 years ago. Building a child-friendly city has been a process of implementing the Convention on the Rights of the Child in both letter and spirit. Though we have come a long way from where we started, yet we have miles to cover as we strive to create child-friendly communities for the future. और इसी उद्देश्य पे कार्य करते हुए CCPCR ने स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी की सहभागिता के साथ कई गतिविधियों को अंजाम दिया. Their mandate is to monitor all laws, policies, programs and administrative mechanisms for children and to ensure that children's rights are protected. ਹੁਣ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਥੀ ਸੰਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਕਾਰਜਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਉਪਰਾਲਿਆਂ ਤੇ. Conducting safety audits through visits and inspection of school buses, school vans and auto rickshaws under the STRAPS policy. An inspection of Pan Bidi shops near schools to ensure mandatory distance of 100 meters is being maintained. Inspection of government Anganwadi centers, government creche and all institutions housing children here in Chandigarh. Creating awareness is key, especially when we are striving to bring a change in the lives of others. और इस बदलाव को लाने के लिए कमीशन ने कुछ इस प्रकार किया लोगों से वार्तालाप. Release of pocket diary on child rights to spread awareness among children of the city beautiful. Mass awareness on child rights through a series of quiz contests and Bharat Yatra which was pledged in the presence of Shri Kailash Satyarthi, Nobel Peace Laureate. Child-friendly Rose Festival. For effective outcome, those putting in efforts should be trained and equipped to do the right groundwork which mainly comprises of the right training. Firstly, training on various statutory provisions including Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, Child Labour Act, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, Right to Education Act. Secondly, training of particular stakeholders. And the events that followed are sensitization workshop on POXO Act, through theatre production Wo Char Din and release of POXO brochure Shout and Stop. Launch of POXO Cell. Capacity building workshop on child rights for school counselors, police officers, staff of child care institutions, the law interns, house mothers and other staff of CCI about the provisions of POXO Act 2012. Workshop on wall painting to create child-friendly atmosphere in the schools. All the efforts, sweat and hard work to uplift the lives of children warrants their involvement. ਤੇ CCPCR ਦੇ ਵੇੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਧ ਚੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ 'ਚ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਬਾਲ ਚੌਪਾਲ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਸੰਵਾਦ with the children of CCIs and local schools and with children from other parts of India like Dadar Nagar Haveli. In the program, the children openly shared not only their problems but also suggested their possible solutions. Self-defense training programs, meeting of village-level child protection committees, including the Sarangpur, Kemwala and Dhanas. Children mock parliament, POXO. Amid serious deliberations and introspections can come moments of laughter and joy, which indeed is part of their right to play and recreation. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੇਡਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੱਖ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨਲ ਮੂਵੀ ਦੀ ਸਕਰੀਨਿੰਗ, creative workshop, open-air gym setup. Sometimes voices behind closed doors need to go beyond the walls so they can reach the right ears and influence appropriate actions. That's what brought CCPCR in campaign mode, raising voice against child labor, child begging and drug abuse. Launch of Stop Child Labor campaign, street play on child labor, regional workshop on child labor and Stop Child Labor campaign, joining hands to drag down drugs on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. और जिन्हें शारीरिक तौर पे कुछ मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है, उनके लिए खास गतिविधियां कराई गई CCPCR के द्वारा. आखिरकार एक चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली सिटी में सबका समान समावेश, योगदान और प्रतिभागिता होनी चाहिए. visit to Government Rehabilitation Institute for Intellectual Disabilities, donation of aids and appliances to special children, medical eye checkup camp, and distribution of free spectacles to needy children, releasing simplified audiovisual CD on provisions of Juvenile Justice Act 2015 and POCSO Act 2012 in sign language, celebration of World Mental Health Day. The first ever national consultancy on disability, where commissions from all over India participated with full momentum. Since the past 2 years, World Disability Day is being celebrated as Ability Day. And of course, celebrating along the course of the year brought big cheers on these tiny faces. Celebration of Baisakhi, Mothers and Family Day, Raksha Bandhan celebrations, marking the International Day of Deaf, World Mental Health Day 2017, bringing in light through Diwali festivities, Children's Day celebrations at different venues, including the observation homes, concluding with the UN Universal Children's Day, Lohri celebrations, coming together to empower the girl child by marking the National Girl Child Day, awarding the achievers who were selected internationally and branded as ambassadors. Academic achievers of the city were also recognized. Foundation Day celebrations of CCPCR. Celebrating all these days has not only helped create awareness among the public about the issues of children, but has also gone a long way in making the children aware of their rights and duties. Each step that has been taken towards making Chandigarh a child-friendly city has become possible due to the conviction, perseverance and vision of many involved in the initiative. All the meetings, programs, conferences come to an end. But there can never be an end to doing good for the world. And CCPCR shall continue to do its part with the support of its partners and stakeholders. As for all the future efforts, the sky is the limit.